Every time I try, I'm baffled by the way that things all turn out. I hear that voice telling me you failed again and again and again. Be still, my child, you've still got time. No anxiety, eat you in. Take all of your mind and never forget how you've come this far. Oh, yeah, yeah. Every time I try, I'm baffled by the way that things are turned out. I hear that voice telling me you failed again and again and I'm walking out that door, sweetie, like so many times before, and my anticipation runs wild through my veins like a streaming tide. Don't be scared of what's not there, the things you know. Oh, come sweeping down to this moment.